This is what we do when the big people leave. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it may be a little. The melt, the fuel is going to come out of it.
Yeah, it's got something that will burn.
This is getting boring.
What
This
happened?
is a very boring video.
Come on.
It'll do it.
Oh, it's bound to have melted by now. Can she have
There it went.
Bree?
What? Yes.
I mean, not Bree. Where's Bree? Can she have a little
You can
chocolate?
have one.
What'd she say?
Yeah.
It's not gonna do it.
It's not going to explode, I guess.
No, the
we
bottle
did use-
exploded. I heard it.
If it
We
was
did use
camp
tiki
fuel,
fuel.
Crack is what it is. That's what happened with the tiki fuel.
That's my problem too.
Well,
You know, I got that on film.
we got to get the inside going real hot before it.
You know, you saw me going with 2 rolls.
Oh, okay. What was I thinking? Now it's drawing. There it goes.
cool.
That is neat. But it's
Just like
not
kicked it
doing
down.
spark.
Yeah, that rumble, that's the good stuff.
You don't want to breathe in those fumes. Aluminum's bad for you.
You guys don't have any. Oh wait, yeah. Come on, get red hot.
You're warm? Yeah, your sheet looks really clean there too. Yes, sweetheart. Okay, somebody grab that blanket from her. It's gonna take some time.
Lift it back and forth like that.
What is the goal again? You know what you're gonna have a red hot metal point in here in a minute.
That was awesome.
All right, Aaron!
Set the night on fire.